This isn't just a salad. This is a fully loaded, flavor-packed meal in a bowl. You have juicy white chicken, protein-rich hard-boiled egg, creamy avocado, crisp field greens, homemade candied pecans, together with smoky pan-seared Mexican corn. It's not just dumped from a can. And then diced tomatoes and cool cucumber slices balance out the heat of that corn. And to take it to the next level, I'm drizzling over the top my Avocado Ranch Dressing. For your chicken, you can use leftover rotisserie chicken, or I'll link how to make my juicy chicken. I chop a half of an avocado for 2 salads, and since I season the salad with barbecue rub that's slightly spicy and the Mexican corn is spicy, I like the way cucumbers and tomatoes cool my palate. You'll want to chop a hard-boiled egg ahead of time, and you have got to check out my link at the end to elevate your pecans to my homemade candied pecans. And by all means, you have to make my avocado ranch dressing. It's so much better than any avocado ranch you're going to find. Okay, so for this corn, we're going to use a little bit of Mexican-style street corn, but we're going to do a little bit with it here. You're not going to be using it all, but I saved some for more salads and for nachos. So drain it really well, and we're going to get out a pan. And we want to get the moisture out so that the kernels are a little bit dry, but not completely dried. And while there's still a little bit of moisture in there, you want to add a pinch of cinnamon. So a subtle flavor of cinnamon infuses into the corn. Then you're going to remove it from the heat and transfer it to a bowl to let it cool. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So get your lettuce out right before serving so it's crisp, and top with the shredded chicken, a sprinkling of the spicy Mexican corn, chunks of avocado, chopped hard-boiled egg, diced red tomato, cucumber slices, the caramely crunchy candied pecans, those are the best, the homemade avocado ranch with barbecue rub dressing, and season with a pinch of the GPS barbecue rub, just as you would salt and pepper. I'm telling you, even if you're not a salad person, you're going to be shocked as to how good this is. We had them twice this week. Okay, so the second time I put carrots in it, and I really didn't like the flavor combo. So tell me whether or not you would put carrots in yours. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below. And you gotta make this. All recipes on yougottamakethis.net and linked below.